Installing an upper power distribution board. Note: before installing the upper power distribution board, make sure that the lower power distribution board and enclosure air baffles have been installed into the enclosure. Hold the two blue knobs to lower the front of the upper power distribution board. Lower the upper power distribution board at an angle into the enclosure. Align the two openings in the middle of the upper power distribution board with the two power bus bars on the lower power distribution board. Then slide the board into place while lowering the rear of the board into a horizontal position. Use a Phillips No. 1 screwdriver to fasten the 3 captive screws on the upper power distribution board. Connect the 2 interconnect cables to the upper power distribution board.